Hello everyone and welcome to another room tour. So we are in the Premier Inn Southampton West Quay, and this is just a standard room here, so let's get it going. So first of all, as soon as you come into the room, we have some lovely coat hooks. I know it's not much, but there's 3 coat hooks there, and then a mirror there so you can see yourself as you come out the bathroom. There is some lights just for up there as well. It makes it nice and bright with the hairdryer just underneath as well. And moving around, you've got your hanging space. Not a lot of hanging space, but this isn't meant for a long stay. Any minute, these Premier Inns are already designed to be 1 or 2 nights stay. A spare towel there. What's in this drawer? That's a drawer there. You've then got your tea and coffee facilities there with a few more drawers. And plenty of space to put things. Your little bureau with a chair. There's no drawer on this, I've noticed though. So there isn't actually a lot of space to put things. But like I say, you're not meant to spend a lot of time here. You've got a lovely couch over there. And the room with a view, I would say, is the scaffolding. And the beds in Premier Inns, they always are nice. And you've got some nice artwork on the wall there as well. But the 2 bedside lights, the nearest plug, there's a plug down there. I don't think there is one on this side. And there's no Wi-Fi, there's no USBs. No, so there is just one plug on that side. And that's about it. You've got the lights over there. And then your controls there. Gotta say, this isn't the best lit room. But it's enough for now. Let's go into the bathroom and have a look. Just got the toilet, how lovely. There is the one thing about the Premier Inn, there is a nice big vanity unit all over here. Just down there with a big sink. You've got your Bayless and Harding drill, and then the shower itself, the box standard shower. It's Premier Inn. What more do you expect? So from that point of view, it's a standard hotel, standard Premier Inn, good for one night for our cruise, and that's a Premier Inn really. Like I said, there's not a lot of space for luggage. But there is a lot of space in the room itself. There's loads of space to move. You're not feeling cramped in here. You've got a nice big TV. For a base for a couple of days, you're absolutely fine. The one thing I do not like about Premier Inn is there's not enough plug sockets. Like I said, one over there, a couple here and one up there. No USB sockets whatsoever. But it'll be fine for the night. Thank you for watching the video. Safe travels. Thank you for being a friend.